summarize function in R. Let me just set up my working directory and import the file which I will use in today's video. So there are two files. One is daily sales data, which consists of sales data of a retail store. So right now this is a sample data, consists of two store and two categories, but the data is present for 24 days, which corresponds to 4 weeks. And the metrics which are available here are sales and units sold. Second dataset consists of a date to week map. So each week will have 7 date corresponding to it. Right. So for 1st March to 7th March, this is week number 10 as per the calendar year. Now I'm just checking what are the names present in both the datasets. So there are 5 columns which are present in daily sales data and 2 columns which are present in date map. So in order to use summarize function, I need to install and load the dplyr package. So dplyr is currently installed in my system already, so I'm skipping this step and just loading the package in the library function. Now the problem statement here is that I want to aggregate the daily sales data to a store category and week level, right? So I want to know for what is the sales and units sold per week in a particular category in a particular store. So in order to do that, I'm creating the object called weekly sales data. Now the first argument, right, is the name of the data frame, which is daily sales data. Then I'm using the pipe operator, right? Next is the inner join, because the daily sales data consists of dates. There is no week mapping. So in order to aggregate the data at weekly level, we have to use the date map. So I'm doing an inner join here, which will keep the common of both the table, date map, and by is equal to date, right? Since date is present in both the data set, which is daily sales data and date map, right? Now in order to aggregate the data, there is a function called group underscore by, which is a part of again dplyr package. Now here you need to specify the level at which you want to aggregate the data, or level at which you want the sales and units sold in the final output. So I want the sales and units sold to be aggregated at a store category and week level. Now the last argument is the summarize function. So using the summarize function, I'm creating two variables. One is weekly sales, right? Weekly sales is equal to sum of sales na.rm is equal to true. This is important argument when you are doing any aggregation in R, because if there are missing values present in any of the row, then it will throw up a missing value. Similarly for units sold, I am doing sum units sold na.rm is equal to true, right? Once I execute this command, weekly sales data will be created consisting of 16 records. So for each store, each category, week 10 there is weekly sales of 42 lakhs, approximately 42 lakhs, and units sold is approximately 18 lakhs. Similarly for store 1, category 1, week 11, weekly sales is approximately 40 lakh and units sold is approximately 17 lakh. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.